Hey everyone, welcome to the guide on how to speed up Windows 10. Let's dive right in. Disable Startup Apps. First, right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. A new window will appear. From there, click on Startup located at the top. Now, disable all enabled apps. To do this, simply right-click on the app and select Disable from the drop-down menu. Set for best performance. Go to the search bar and type View Advanced System Settings. Once you find the View Advanced System Settings option, click on it. A pop-up screen will appear. Here, you'll see the Performance section. Click on the Settings option under this section. Another pop-up screen will appear. From this, select Adjust for Best Performance. Now, check the options shown on the screen. After checking all the options, click on the Apply button and then click OK. Finally, close all windows and restart your computer. After restarting, your Windows 10 speed will improve. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about speeding up your Windows 10, leave a comment below.